You think you're just resting, but really, you're hiding. Comfort has become your prison, and you don't even see the chains. You keep telling yourself, I deserve to relax. But comfort isn't free. It's robbing you, silently. Every time you choose easy over hard, you're saying no to the stronger version of you. The you that could have been great. Keep feeding this comfort addiction, and one day you'll wake up at 40 with nothing. No skills, no discipline, no respect. Not even from yourself. Comfort doesn't care about your future. It only cares about keeping you weak. Today. Here's the ugliest truth. Comfort feels safe, but it's slowly killing your potential. It doesn't destroy you in one big blow. No, it bleeds you, drop by drop until you're too numb to fight back. The escape? It's not complicated. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to do one uncomfortable thing today. Cold shower, brutal workout, honest conversation. Lean into discomfort, and you'll build the muscle to face anything. Comfort is a cage, but the door is wide open. So what's it gonna be? Step out and live, or stay inside and rot while life passes you by.